Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to unbox and dive deep into the Lecherous Beauty 6-in-1 Combo Kit, a complete face makeup set that promises to give you a flawless look with just 6 products. This kit includes foundation, primer, liquid concealer, loose powder, compact powder, and a makeup fixer setting spray. Everything you need all in one package. Let's see if it's worth the hype. Stick with me. First up, the primer. It's lightweight and smooth, creating a perfect base for the rest of my makeup. I applied a thin layer and it blurred my pores, instantly making my skin feel soft and ready. Next, the foundation. It's got a creamy texture with medium coverage that evens out my skin tone beautifully. I used a damp sponge to blend it and it looks natural, not cakey at all. I'm impressed. Then the liquid concealer. This little tube is a gem, super blendable and brightens my under eyes while hiding any blemishes with ease. I dabbed it on and it melted right into my skin. No creasing here. Now the loose powder, it's finely milled and sets my base perfectly. I dusted it over my T-zone and it kept the shine away all day. A must for oily skin gals like me. The compact powder is next. It's great for touch-ups with a smooth matte finish that doesn't feel heavy. I popped it in my bag for on-the-go fixes and it's so handy. Finally, the makeup fixer setting spray. A few spritzes and my whole look is locked in. Waterproof, sweatproof, and long-lasting. I tested it through a busy day and my makeup stayed flawless, no melting or fading. This kit is a dream for anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one solution, perfect for beginners or pros. It's not luxury, the foundation could be a tad more pigmented, but for the price it's a total win. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll do a full face tutorial with this kit. If you're loving this, smash that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think.